Hey, what's up YouTube Sports Card Center? Coming at you with a mail day. This is a redemption replacement from Topps. Thank you Topps for making this replacement really quick. I called the guy 2 days ago. They must have shipped it the same day and got the replacement out to me because I already got it. What a very surprised when I saw that it came in the mail. I didn't even check the website to see if they had a tracking number up, and it just showed up at my door. I was like, whoa! So, really satisfied with the replacement. It was a redemption for a nobody, and I got a somebody. So, my replacement came in, and it's from 2011 Topps Triple Threads, number 25 of 25, Unity Relic Auto of Tim Hudson. My opinion, very underrated player. I think if there's so many other great pitchers right now, he would have Cy Young by far. He would have a chance at the Hall of Fame. I think he has a really good record, so maybe not. We'll see. This is for trade or for sale if anyone's interested. Gonna be hitting up a couple Braves fans I know, so see if they're interested in it. Otherwise, hit me up. So that's pretty much it, guys. And as always, thanks for watching.